Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, his kunyat. You understand what kunyat means? Kunyat is, like even now Arabs are called Abu Fala, Abu Fala. So kunyat is when you are known by your offsprings, right? So Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, because his oldest son was Hassan, was known as Abu Hassan. But he also had another kunyat, and that was Abu Turab. Turab means sand, dust, right? What happened was that once Rasulullah came to the house of Sayyidina Fatima, and he found that Sayyidina Fatima was sitting in one corner, and we looked for Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and this wasn't like a huge house, it was like just one room sort of place. You can imagine, you've seen the hujra of Rasulullah, so it's a similar small size. So he couldn't find Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. He said, where's Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu? So Fatima radiallahu ta'ala anhu said that, we just had a sort of a misunderstanding, and as the couples have, and it got a bit heated, and Ali has left the house because he didn't want to argue much, so he said better to control anger, and he left. So when he came out, he said that best thing for me is to just lie down and cool myself down. So just around the masjid next to a wall, he just lied down on the ground and he went to sleep over there. So Rasulullah came out and he was looking for Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and then he saw that Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu is lying in the sand, next to the wall and sleeping. So Rasulullah came to him and he nudged him and said, Ya Abu Turab, kum, like, oh Abu Turab, stand. So he said now, and Rasulullah was saying Abu Turab because he was all in the sand. So he, and jokingly said Abu Turab, like father of the sand, just stand. So because Rasulullah called him Abu Turab, he said that this kunyat is more precious to me than any other kunyat, and he preferred to be called Abu Turab. He had 3 sons and 2 daughters. His 3 sons were Hassan, Hussein and Mohsin. Mohsin also the Nawasa of Rasulullah, but he passed away as a young boy, as a child, as a baby. So that's why we don't hear much about him. We hear about Hassan and Hussein radiallahu ta'ala anhu, but Mohsin was also there. And then they had 2 daughters. One was Zainab and the other was Kulsum. Zainab also passed away as a baby, and Kulsum later on got married to Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu was also the son-in-law of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. He was the father-in-law of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he became the son-in-law of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. That also goes to show that how well tied these guys were, because now some people try to create this illusion that there were differences among them, but they were actually one family. The relationship of Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu with Rasulullah's family was, can be imagined that at one place he had his own daughter in marriage, with daughter of Umar radiallahu ta'ala was in marriage of Rasulullah, and the daughter of Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu was in marriage of Umar radiallahu ta'ala. So they had very strong family ties, right? And that should be kept in mind at all times.